In this video, I will show you how to create a fully dynamic weekly availability Gantt chart on which you can easily see when you are fully available, most contactable, partially contactable, and when you are not available. Everything is totally dynamic. If I just go to my data tab and I simply remove the data, let's say Tuesday data, and for example, after 7 a.m., I just select F, which means a fully availability, and simply drag this to let's say 5 p.m. Click on 6 p.m. and simply type partially available and drag this to let's say 10 p.m. And now if I go to my chart sheet, everything dynamically update. So how we can create this amazing chart, I will show you each and everything in this video. Consider I have the blank data sheet. The first thing we need to write all of the weekday name on column A. I will simply write Monday and simply drag this and it will autofill all of the weekday. The next thing I will simply write on B1 cell 12:00 am and this will automatically convert in time format and I will drag this to the right side till 11 p.m. Now I will change the orientation to rotate text up and I will select all of the column, decrease the width of column as much as possible, and if we make it bold, it will look much clear. Now I will do a little bit formatting with column A. The next thing we need to create contact status table. And this is just for indication purpose. I will assign all of the color, let's say blue, green and red color. So there is no light red color present. I will select the dark red color and I will go to custom and decrease just to make it a little bit light. Now the blue means fully availability and green is most contactable and red means partially contactable. So you can assign whatever you want. The next thing I will select all of the grid, click on data and we need to create data validation. So I will simply select list. In this case, I will only define FMP, just the first keyword. Now I can easily select my options and everything easily fill. So this is how you need to input your dataset, start time, end time, and just select the option you want and everything automatically auto adjusts. Now I will off the grid line and I will do a little bit formatting. Just assigning the light gray color. Select all of the data, apply the light border. I will choose the light gray color and simply apply all border. I think it's look better, but if we make it center align, it will more better. I will rename the sheet, let's say data input. And I will insert another sheet and I will simply rename this sheet, let's say chart. In this sheet, I will also write the name of weekday. But I will write in opposite direction. So you can see I just write the two name and I simply drag this and it will automatically autofill. I will leave one empty row and one empty column and simply write 12 a.m. and drag this to the right side. Change the orientation, make it bold, center align, and now simply decrease the width of column just to make it look better. Now I will select all of the blank rows, hold Ctrl key and select one by one and now simply decrease the width of these rows. I will select all of the row and assign the light gray color. Now we need to connect Sunday, Saturday, Friday, each of the weekday with respect to cell. So I will connect the first cell and then I will simply drag this formula to the right side. Now I will select all of the value and simply drag to the right side. Now we need to apply conditional formatting. Whenever condition is equal to F, I will choose custom format, click on fill color. In this case, I will assign the blue color and I need to assign the same color for font. Another conditional formatting, whenever equal to P, custom format. In this case, I will assign red color, but I need to make a little bit lighter. Custom, make it light. Copy the hex code, hit Ctrl C, hit OK, click on font and simply click more color, custom, Ctrl V. Simply hit OK and hit OK. Now we need to apply another conditional formatting for M. Whenever equal to M, apply custom format. In this case, I will select the light green color and for the font, I will choose the same color. The only thing left are the 0. I will simply type 0 and font color white and fill color also white. Almost our chart is ready. We need to apply a little bit border just to make it look like a chart. So I will select all of the horizontal data and apply the upper border, vertical data and apply the right border. Now you can see our chart is look like a bar chart. We need to apply a small grid line and this is very important from 12 a.m. to let's say 6 a.m. This time is usually not busy hour. So I will apply a light border and you can apply whatever you want. Now the last thing, we need to write a chart title as well. I will merge a few cells and simply write weekly availability Gantt chart. And now simply copy this one and right click paste as a link image.